Hey there, I'm Mary Campbell of Divining Beauty. So it's almost Halloween. I'm sure you are seeing the leaves, seeing the pumpkins, seeing the orange. You know, we celebrate it and make fun. We don't like to think about what's scary, what's there that could bite us, the boogeyman of the unknown. I've just been really writing and thinking about this so much because our ancient ancestors, the indigenous people that we came from, all celebrated this time, observed it in some way. We have the Day of the Dead, we have Samhain, we have these holidays that really marked this time that was scary and helped people trust in something deeper, something about the relationship that they have with the earth and the way they're cared and held by it, no matter what else happens. So if you want to explore this a bit more and how to go deeper than what your fears are, to learn and find a trust, join me. I'll be in person in the Berkshires on Sunday afternoon, but also online on Tuesday evening. You can go to my bio and click the link for more information. And let's stay in touch. Thanks so much. Happy Halloween.